So most people know the Lee Valley Whitewater Center as the Olympic course from 2012. It's a cracking course. But this year, we thought we'll up the adrenaline factor and give thrill seekers something different. So we looked at boiling water pools, giant stingrays, piranhas, the kind of things that people like these days. Then it hit us. Whitewater rafting plus sharks. Great white sharks. Nobody's ever done that, we thought. And so, the great whitewater rafting experience was created. So I got hold of a couple of great whites from a mate of mine in a marine park, Daisy and Lucas. They were a bit snappy at first. I had a run-in with Daisy last week, but she settled in now. So the trick is to make sure they're not hungry or that they try and take a raft down. Otherwise, it gets pretty difficult to get everybody out of the water before the sharks begin to bite. We haven't lost any limbs yet. Kevin was the close one. Look, that's Kevin. Kevin! The ironic thing is, Kevin is our health and safety guy, but he's alright. He works on reception now. Anyway, these are just minor teething problems. Excuse the pun. It's perfectly safe. We're launching the Great Whitewater Rafting Experience on April 1st. Come on down, if you dare.